Today I have the personal care box from Archer and Olive called the Rest and Renew box. And we're going to open this up and see what we have. This is your toolkit and permission slip to prioritize yourself, elevate your well-being with dedicated time for journaling and activities that allow you to rest and be renewed. So first off, I absolutely love the packaging in the Archer and Olive boxes. Let's start here. Such a beautiful teal blue, deep teal blue item. Here we have stamps, and they are Tomorrow I Look Forward To, Color of the Sunset, Color of the Sky, Self-Care Rituals, and with the days of the week, checklists, day and night temperatures, color of my mood. Here we have some checklist boxes and hearts, circles. Says the level of happiness, low to high. You can grade that each day. A day of rest, mindful moment, I'm grateful for. And then we have some colors or florals we can put in, and more florals here. A large journaling box there. Wonderful set. And also with that, we have a stamp pad that is in black, and the decoration is also in keeping with this theme of the lotus. And they always give us a stamping block when they give us a stamp. So next, we have this box. And beautiful cards in here. It says these are prompt cards. So looks like they're journaling prompt cards. You have inner calm, self-care rituals, letting go, nature's calm, pause for gratitude, slow peaceful morning, worry release, revive and restore, plus many more. There's a total of 20 cards in here. So that will make nice if you're struggling with what to journal about for a day. You can always pull out a prompt card and journal what that's about. Now we have a box here, gold ink gel pen. This is a heavy pen. It has it has a cover on the end of the pen there to keep your gel from drying out before you get the box. Kind of protecting the tip there. I'm going to pull out my swatch book that I got the other day, and we're going to write with that pen and see how it is. Take that protective end off. I'll go here in the front. Writes very smooth, very pretty. Has a gold glitter to it a little bit there. Very nice. Here we have another box, and it says decorative tape. There's a set of 4 adhesive paper tapes. Okay, and we'll grab our swatch book again, and we'll swatch these. Let's see. Grab a clip here to hold our book open. And we will start with this one. Nice lotus design there. And this one, we have another lotus design, but it's with a dark blue teal background. There's a little black, I don't know if those are the leaves or what. There's a black design in behind there. Yeah, it's the leaves. Here we have a black, or not black, a teal and gold stripe. And this one is a little different. We have almost like label type. So this one you can go up and down or sideways like this to use as a journal spot. This one says, describe a moment today when you felt fully present. This one says, think of something you're looking forward to this week. And the last one says, list 5 things you're grateful for right now. So you have, those are almost like label type things that you can use in your journal. So I'll move this aside, and here's our last and final box in here. And let me get this out of the way. Beautiful box again. They always have such beautiful boxes, such beautiful packaging for their items. And here we have a beautiful lotus decorated front. And like always, we have our pen loop. And this says this is 192 dot grid pages that are 160 GSM ultra thick paper. So you have lots of room to journal. Depending how often you journal, this won't last a whole year if you journal daily. If you journal weekly, it'll last even longer than a year. We have our bookmarks again, the 2 ribbon, one with the naprasan on it. We have the beautiful gold foiling for the inside decor, and we have the flap on the back. You have a pen loop to put your pen in so that you can take your journal on the go or just have it ready to use at a moment's notice. So that is all we have. Let me know down below, do you use Archer and Olive? Have you discovered that company yet? I just discovered this a few months ago, and I absolutely love the company. Love all the packaging, love the journals. They're so pretty and so useful. And I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.